Hail everybody! This is a tutorial about high ratio planetary gears. If you want more background, check out Gear Down for Watts' awesome 160 to 1 planetary gear winch. This is going to be resized onto that so all the planetaries share the same orbit. And these are some settings here where you can arrange an infinite number of amazing planetary gears. Here there is a code so you can generate planetary gears with ratios like 33,000 to 1, and you can go up to 25,000 to 1 if you so desire for your planetary gears. And you can do very high torque from them. It's a very cool engineering system, and you can get them made from metal afterwards, so you can prototype them on your 3D printer. So this is the way it works. I have designed a generator so that you can do any number of planetary gears, and you have control of the tooth profile. It's all in these variables. You would read them through. So you have multiple tooth profiles. You can do sinusoidal teeth profiles, although it will go slower on your processor. You can also use, rather than just 4 little blobs here, you can divide this tooth into 20 polygons or 50 polygons. So then you have really, really fine, nice meshes on your planetary gears. So let's see what they look like in Mesh Mixer. On one of these, you'd kind of mirror it, right? And then you bump this over so it's like large, and then you use this as a robot shoulder. So the ring is clamped on both sides, and the middle moves with really huge force. So you could just mirror this file and use it as a robot arm with if you use a kilo of plastic, it has a huge force density, so about 200 Newton meters on your robot shoulder. So then you have a giant robot that's really, really quite strong. So let's see where we are here. I believe I am recording. Yes, we are recording. Okay, so let's see. Well, this is going to be on Zune 1234 Micron's website on Thingiverse very soon. So where is this? This is I actually made the cursor very big, so there's no point in having this. This is a crappy application. So instead of this, we will go to, where is the thingy? This is the web page. So the planetary gear generator will be on here, and you can do billions of planetary gears. So the most cool thing to see with this is this website here, and you change the variables. So this is a crazy ratio. You will probably be doing ratios like 50 to 150 kind of range for your engineering. So there we go with that. You put the ratio min, the ratio max, the sun tooth size, and you just try and figure out a nice sun and ring ratio so that you have a dense and high torque, high friction contact planetary gear, and then you're good to go. Very good luck with your projects. I think I will publish this just as a silly file to GitHub, although it's quite good. I mean, it's really cool. So basically, as a proof, this is like going down. This is the input. This is held. This is the input here going around very fast, and that's the output. So you can see by this marker, the ratio is about 123 to 1, which is pretty cool. And so there we're going really quite a high ratio, and then 123:1 ratio here. And that essentially is something in this kind of range. So there we go, perhaps it's precisely this. So then you put in your Sun 1, Ring 1, Sun 2, Ring 2 in there, and your planet number that you want as well. So let's see in the readout what the planet numbers are. So the planet numbers here, you can have 20 planets on something, and a reasonable number's about 5 to 12 planets, depending on how much torque. They give you a lot of torque because they've spread the load over a lot of gears and a lot of gear teeth. It's really, really cool. So this is the number of planets that you will have from the code, and that is what you want to put in. These are the numbers, and you attempt these ones. You narrow this range to exactly the ratios that you want, and then you check them out in here, and they'll preview, and you just decide which one looks the biggest and the strongest for your design. So have a lots of fun, and good luck doing some fabulous projects. Have a very good day. Goodbye.